Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. In today's video, we are going to be adding a little touch of spring to my lounge. If you want to see how it's going to turn out, just make sure you keep watching.
I should've known better, deja vu. I should've known better that I'd lose. I should've known better. Tell me that this wasn't all for nothing. I should've known better than I did. I should've known better. Love's love, man. I should've known better than to give my all. It never works out for me.
Alright, so here's how my loft space is looking, and I think I am going to switch out the curtains to the green curtains that you see there on the floor. I asked you guys earlier, should I put the green curtains here in the loft or should I put them in my office? A lot of you said the office, but I'm not ready yet to change up the office, so I just want to see what they'll look like here in the lounge. So let's go ahead and do that. I apologize for the poor lighting, but the lighting is always really bad in here. So hopefully these curtains are not too wrinkly. Because I don't know where my steamer is. But let's just get them up and see how we like them. Alright, let's take a step back and see what we think. I don't know, I think I like it. I think that's what we are going to do. So I'll go ahead and change out the other ones and then I'll come back and show you how that looks. Alright guys, so that's how the curtains are looking. I think they look good. So I also opened up the blinds because it was dark in here. So again, I apologize for the poor lighting, but the lighting is always bad up here. But so now I'm going to dust and clean up a little bit and then we'll start decorating. I picked up this neat little duster from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not, and it does a really nice job. I think it was $1.50. You know, things have gone up lately at the Dollar Tree. And don't get me lying, they might even have gone up to $1.75 since I picked this up, because it's been a while. All right, so we have everything dusted. And remember that plant that I picked up from Walmart? And I told you guys I was going to see if I could grow it in some water. Well, one of the little plants broke off. So I've stuck it down in this water to see if we can get it to root and grow in just water. So fingers crossed that happens, but this is how it's currently looking. And now we're going to add some florals to these vases. These vases came from H&M. Oh gosh, a few years ago. So I showed you guys these stems, these blue hydrangeas in particular. They came from Amazon. And then recently, I showed you these from Amazon. So we're going to use these, I think, to try to decorate in this space. So I think I'm going to put 3 in this one. I think I need to put some filler in the bottom so that they stand up a little bit more. Then the stem, stick this one down in here. And then the other one over this way. I like that look. I think these are perfect for spring and summer. Once I get these together, I don't know if I'll change them again, but I think they look really, really nice against the green curtains like that. So now let's go ahead and add in our snowball hydrangeas. I didn't think I was gonna like using blue. I really don't like using blue in anything but the florals. I should say so far, I guess. But I do love the look of the blue. Look how nice that looks. It's just so happy, so spring-like. So I do love that for spring and summer. So we have brought that in. And I feel like I need maybe some white florals. Let's do that. All right, so I went and grabbed some plastic bags. I think I need to lift these up a little bit. So let's stick these bags down in here so that they stand up a little bit taller in the vase. Yeah, I like that. Stand up just a little bit. And the blue just looks so nice. So nice. Only have one of these white hydrangeas. Will that do the trick in here? I just put in the one. Yeah, that looks good. I like that. And then I have a little stem that fell off, so where did you come from? Over here? So yeah, that's how that's looking. Let's take a closer look. Yes, I really like the way that looks. So now we're going to turn our attention to the coffee table. I think I need coffee table books. So I think I'm going to go in with my Vanity Fair book for some height. And then I have some new vases. These were supposed to be all black. I don't like that little white stripe, so I think I'm going to spray paint those all black, but we have those. Then I have these moss stems that came from World Market. So we're gonna use, I think, one here and the other two in here. Can you see that? I like that. I think I need something else. I had this candle holder on the table. This is similar to the one from our house, but our house is bronze and this one's silver. This one came from Target and it's from the Sage Brookline, I think it's called. How does that look? Let's see. All right, this is how it's looking. It's called Sagebrook Home. I don't know, I think I like it. But are these gonna be too tall when I'm trying to watch TV? Maybe I'll put these down a little. And then I have this heavy glass ashtray that I could actually use as a bowl, and I could put some moss in it. Let's stick this here. Let's see, do we like that? I don't know, I think I like it. I like my lamps. Those lamps I picked up while thrifting, they have like a liquid metal appearance, and I picked them up for just $17.99 a piece. Didn't come with the lampshades though. I already had the lampshades, but I love those. Love how that looks. So, okay. I think I like this, but now I need to get some moss, and I don't know if I have any or not. Let me check. All right, guys, so this is how the loft has turned out. Just one simple change, really, or maybe two. It's the curtains. I love the way it looks. It lightens up the space so much. Again, I'm sorry for the poor lighting, but the lighting is always so bad up here in the loft, but I do love the green curtains. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, but I think I am also going to still put them in my office. I love how the arrangement has come together here on the coffee table. Again, these vases came from Sagebrook Home, and I ordered them from Target. They were on sale for $75 for the two of them. These faux florals came from World Market. They're moss stems. Everybody just loves these, and I love them too. They just look so nice and so realistic. My coffee table came from Amazon a few years ago. I will have it linked in my Amazon storefront, so if you like it, you can pick it up. This candle holder came from Sagebrook Home as well, ordered from Target. Our Vanity Fair book came from Amazon. The coasters came from CB2. This glass, I'm using it as a tray, but it's actually an ashtray. I found that thrifting. These volcanic lava rocks came from H&M Home in this little vase, along with this little oil, the scented oil. I love how that smells, but this is how that looks. On our side towers here, these lamps are thrifted. I picked them up, oh gosh, 2-3 years ago for $17.99. The lampshades came from Amazon. They were $50 at the time, but now they're like $75 a piece, so a little pricey. The mirrors, the round mirrors that look like the diamond effect, they came from Amazon. We have a little tray over here in this corner. It came from TJ Maxx online. We have the larger mirrors. I put up the larger mirrors to try to give it a larger look and feel up here, because this is a small loft space, so then it reflects back into the room, so it just makes the room look bigger. Again, those came from IKEA. This credenza came from Amazon. These vases came from H&M Home. The book here came from Home Goods. It's a book box. The Louvre book I picked up from Amazon. The curtains, oh my gosh, I just love the curtains. They came from Amazon. The florals also came from Amazon. I love the pop of blue and the white. So perfect for spring. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think, but I absolutely love it. And then over here on this side, we have just my sofa with 2 pillows that came from TJ Maxx. And I was thinking, what about if I have a blue throw that I picked up while thrifting. What if I put it over here? What would it look like? So I'm going to grab that really quick and we'll just take a look and see. All right, so here's the blue throw. Again, I got this thrifting several years ago and I've really never used it. So if we put it on the sofa, how would it look? Since we have that little bit of blue and the florals, would this look okay? I don't know. I'm not mad at it. It does tie in with the blue here, but I think I need to fold it a different way. Hold on. Okay, so I folded it a different way so that it hang down a little bit. I like the fringe to just touch, so I like that. I wish I had some white pillows, some whiter color pillows to go along with it, also to brighten up the sofa a little bit. But yeah, I like how it's looking so far, but leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. But guys, this is all I am doing for the loft space. You don't have to do a lot, in my opinion. A little bit goes a long way. So I hope today's video has inspired you. If so, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I have lots of budget-friendly, budget luxury, home decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one.